Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Asmita and I'm a doctor in India. This video is a Sunday vlog and what all I did last Sunday to relax and unwind from all the stress of the exams and in general of the entire week. So the first thing I do on most Sundays is water my plants. And nowadays it is so hot here that I tend to water them every 2 to 3 days a week. Doing this in the morning gives me a very calm feeling, and every time I see a new leaf or a new stem growing, I get really happy and it gives me a little spark of joy. Mornings are my favorite time of the day. As I was enjoying the view and soaking in the morning goodness, I saw this person working on a Sunday to make our surroundings beautiful. Hats off to all the housekeeping and maintenance staff who are working every day to make our lives easy. I thought of doing a little cleaning and decluttering of my cupboard. It has been ages since I've done it. I usually keep things organized, but in the past few months, I have not paid much attention to it. And when that happens, we all know what it leads to. Though my cupboard was not that messy and things were in their places, but still, I decided to do a deep cleaning and took everything out. Keeping things organized is another thing which makes me happy and keeps me calm. And no harm comes out from finding the things in their right places when you are rushing out. So now I've taken out everything from my cupboard and my bed is a mess right now, to be very honest. But now I'm going to do some sorting and keep the things which I need, and the things which are very old are definitely going to the dustbin. But a few things which I don't like anymore, or probably I don't wear much, stuff like that, I'm going to give away to the people who need. And here I would also like to say the things in your cupboard which has been there for years or months together and you don't wear anymore or you probably don't like anymore, give it off. Give it off to people who are actually in need. Because what good it's doing being in your cupboard for months together. Otherwise, if like a lot of people you would have heard saying this, that certain things which you think that you like, you want to keep, make it a pile. Make a pile that is called like a maybe pile and keep it there for a few months, and if you don't use it in like the next 2 or 3 months, give it off because probably it's just not your need anymore. After finishing all the sorting, I was very tired, but still I decided to push through and arrange the things which I decided to keep back in my cupboard. The sense of accomplishment I got is just amazing, and the sight of a neat and tidy cupboard is worth the effort. And here is my reward for the day, an amazing bowl of butterscotch fruit custard. So that's it for today, guys. See you soon in my next video. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel and comment below to start a conversation.